Maybe you have watched so many videos about making money online. You see people talking about freelancing, social media management, content creation, digital skills, personal branding, and online businesses. But after watching all those videos, you still see yourself asking yourself, what can I actually do? Let me tell you something, you don't need to know everything before you start making money from your skills, your talents, or your potential. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are just seeing me for the first time, I'm Irabor, and I teach founders, professionals, and experts how to build their personal brand, attract clients, and increase their revenue. And if this is what you love, kindly subscribe to this channel, watch this video, and become part of the Rise and Brand family. Let's get started. You need to know something useful, something that helps another person solve problems. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn what you already know into realistic way you can start making money with the skills you already have within you, or the skills you are currently learning, and converting them into income. First, understand this. Before I give you the 5 realistic ways, I will need you to understand something. A skill by itself doesn't make you to automatically start making money. The question is, what problem can these skills help someone else solve? For example, maybe you want to start learning graphics. Don't say, I know Canva. Start taking record of the problems you can help people to solve with your graphic designing skills. It can be YouTubers, it can be coaches, it can be founders, it can be content creators. Start looking for those people. As they are searching for you, also begin to search for them and begin to render the problem, help them solve their business problem. That is how you position yourself into someone that creates values, not by preaching that you help them with Canva, but by telling them the solution you bring to their business. That is how monetization begins. Number 1 is freelancing. Freelancing simply means helping someone, serving someone. It can be a coach, it can be a founder, it can be a business owner, helping them with your skills of graphic designing, and in turn, they pay you back for it. So you can freelance with your skills like your graphic designing skills, your SEO skills, social media management skills, video editing skills, photographing skills. In fact, any skills you have built so far, you can freelance with it, and in return, they pay you back for the job well done. But do not make the mistake of learning 10 skills at the same time. Start with just 1 skills at the beginning, because you wouldn't want to start offering social media management, graphic designing, email marketing, SEO at the same time. You won't build your footprint in one industry, and that is why you really need to start with just 1 skills that align with you, that yes, you love these skills, you are good at it, and start rendering it as services to those who need it. The goal is to learn a skill, practice it, and become so good at that skill, so that when you work with a client, you will want to deliver very well, and when you deliver well, you start getting recommendation from your clients, or recommendation from your client to work with other of his colleagues or her colleagues or anyone around you. So far, I've also gotten amazing recommendation with my skills. I render social media management and personal brand strategies to founders, and so far I've gotten amazing recommendations from the clients I work with in Canada and across every other states and countries, because I didn't just learn the skills, I learned it, I improve on it, and I become so good at it. And that is why you need to start with 1 skill first, become so good at it very well, give results to any client that work with you, and stamp your feet in that skills before moving to another. Number 2, teach what you know. Let's say you are good at Canva design. Start teaching Canva design to those who also want to learn Canva design. Teach them and get paid for it. This is one way I also monetize my skill. When I started in 2023, I was teaching people how to build their online brand. I was getting paid for it. The first time I priced my course for 5,000. Later I priced it for 20,000, which is, let's say, $20 as at that time. $20 as at that time. But now I don't teach the skill of personal branding in form of a group class anymore. Now I work with founders right now as a personal brand strategist, because I have stamped my feet as a personal brand expert, and that is why I'm teaching it also on YouTube here, because I've been so good at it. I teach it. I don't teach it in group again, but I teach it as a one-on-one services, or when founder hire me to represent or to partner with them as their personal brand strategy. So you can start by teaching these skills to those who need it. Or even if you don't want to teach anyone, you can start by building a YouTube channel around that skill you are currently building, you are currently learning. Teach it on YouTube, and before you know it, when you are consistent, when you give values, YouTube will monetize you and you start earning from it. The goal is to learn and monetize. Do not learn and keep it aside. Learn it, monetize it by teaching it or by rendering the services to those who need it. Number three, offer a service. After learning it, the goal is that you want to offer it as a service to those who need it and they are willing to pay you for it. And this is one of the third way to monetize your skills online, by rendering it as a services to those who need it. So you need to figure out your audience. Let's say Canva, for instance. We are using Canva as an example. After learning the skill of Canva design, you have to write down those that need Canva design, which is your offer. It can be you write them down, because you really need to understand those that need your Canva design, those that need your graphic design. Let's say small creators need it, small businesses need it, let's say founders need it. So you write them down that, okay, these are my audiences that need these services and rendering, which is Canva design. Please do well to watch this video to the end, because you will love it very well, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you and God bless you. So list them out. After listing out the audience that need your services, the next thing is that you start searching for them. If they don't search for you, go and search for them. And this is one thing that is helping me in my business right now. Gone are the days whereby you have to wait for clients to find you because you are thinking you need to be visible. These days, you don't wait for clients to find you. You go and find those clients. And how do you find those clients? You go to groups that your audiences are, let's say business owners. You go to groups that business owners are, small creators are, YouTubers are, and start pinching yourself to them. You can follow them. You can start engaging on their posts. If they create content, just start building familiarity with them, and before you know it, go to their DM and tell them this is the services you offer. Not just telling them, but pitch in a way that the value that you bring is irresistible. They can't say no. They will always need it. And this is why you need to present the values you bring. Table it that this is what you can help them do with the, let's say for example, you can say you help them create attractive design that makes clients want to work with them, or attractive design that speak louder than their content. So just create it, make it amazing and unique using authentic human voice, not AI, not generic pinching, because everyone know AI content. So to stand out, pitch to them in a way that you are human and you understand their feelings. And that is one way to start monetizing your value, to start monetizing your skills. Okay, go and search for them if they don't find you. Number four, create content around your skills. Create content around what you are learning. Some don't want to build their personal brand, but your personal brand is a place sorry please, but your personal brand is the place clients find you first. Let's say you pinch to a client, and when a client check you out on the page, they see that you don't have any content on your page. They see that your content, your profile is not organized, no clear positioning on your profile. They wouldn't want to do any business with you. So you must work on your personal branding by ensuring you post every day, or you post consistently. If you cannot post every day, let's say 5 times a day, or yes, 5 times, please, 5 times a week, you post every day, that is fine. But make one channel. You can start building like with 2 channels, let's say Facebook and Instagram, or Facebook and LinkedIn. Personally, I'm building with Facebook and LinkedIn. I'm not on Instagram currently because my Instagram account and my Facebook account got suspended recently in January 2026. It got suspended. So I said, okay, since it got suspended, I have to move to LinkedIn because I also have audience of 3,000 followings on my LinkedIn. But on Facebook was my main platform. I have built about 23,000 followings on LinkedIn, and on Instagram I was cross posting to Instagram. But when my account got suspended on Facebook, I have to focus on LinkedIn. And currently I'm also building on Facebook right now, starting from scratch anyway. But intentional in focusing on LinkedIn and making LinkedIn my main platform. So choose the platform you want to dominate. And if you are dominating in one platform, ensure you are posting regularly. Yes, if it's one post a day you can create, ensure it is every day. And in the other platform that you are not that too consistent, maybe like me, let me use my own case study. Like right now, since I got suspended on Facebook, I am really my main platform that yes, I show up regularly, I engage, I do the needful. I am almost 24/7 in that platform is on LinkedIn. Yes, I show up regularly every day on LinkedIn. I engage, I search for my clients that need my services. I follow them, I connect with them, and I start building cold DMs, sending cold DMs with them. But on Facebook, I'm not that too. I'm consistent on Facebook. I post every day because the post I created on LinkedIn, I also copy it and post it on Facebook. But on Facebook, I'm not so active on Facebook. I only post, then engage with few of my supporters that we are supporting each other, then I leave. But on LinkedIn, I'm so active on LinkedIn. So what I'm sharing this is that make one platform your active platform that yes, you are there very, very well. They can see you that yes, you are consistent, you are up and doing in that platform, even when because you don't have to show up on all the platforms. You cannot do it because you are not a robot. So show up and make one platform your active platform. Then others that you are building maybe on Twitter or on Facebook or on Instagram or on TikTok or on YouTube, yeah, you can make it your supportive platform just in case anything happen. Okay, so create content on those platforms, show up regularly and teach. Do not start by advertising and saying, oh, this is what I do, I help you design Canva. No, show us why you started. Tell your stories, the stories you want your audience to know about you. Share it with your audience. Tell us your good mood. Just tell us who you are, because your audience should know you before they will want to buy from you. If your audience don't know you as a person, if they don't trust you, if they don't like you, they won't do business with you. So the first thing when creating content is not to sell. The first thing is to get visible and get your audience to trust and love you, love the values you bring before trying to sell. Okay. And number 5, build a digital product. By digital product, it means you should have a product like a course, a template, an ebook that you call your own. I have an ebook and I also have a course that I made, I call it Personal Brand Academy. Then when I was hosting group classes, I've recorded almost 30 persons in that course, Personal Brand Academy. I created it so elaborate that I've got amazing testimony. People from UK, from Nigeria, from Algeria, they have participated in that course. Yes, it is an online course and it's a 6 weeks program. So I was marketing that course for 2023, 2024. I really sold that course to at least maybe yes 30 persons. So have a product that you sell around your services, please. If it's Canva design, that is if Canva design is your skills, ensure you create a product around Canva design. Do not go and create a product around video editing. Okay, create a product that is what build you, that yes, you know what you are doing, you are good at your craft, and that is what make you monetize your skills, because people who buy it will definitely want taste the value, and when they taste the value, they will pay you for it. Before creating course at all, understand the market, because you are creating a course or a product for the market to buy and not for your personal use. So ensure the product you are creating or the course or the template or anything you want to create, ensure it aligns with what the market needs. I always say this all the time, because when people want to create course, they just create course because they love it. You don't create a course because you love it. You create a course or a product because people need this product you are creating, because you see that there's a problem in the market and you have a solution for it, because people buy solution. You see the problem and you are creating a solution for that problem. That is how to fix it. Do not create any product because I said create a course or create a product. Create based on what the market needs. If the market needs it, they will be willing to pay you for it and they will buy, and it will become a product that people need. You will advertise, you will market it, and you will sign up for the product. So if you are watching this and you are saying, okay, Faith, I have a skill, but I don't know what to do. So do these 5 things. Number 1, choose a skill. Don't try to choose every of the skill. Choose one particular one. I know some of us, we are good at so many things, but have a focus in one thing first. Yes, one thing first before any other thing. Okay, so pick only one skill that you want to start building a brand on and monetize. Number two, find a problem that skill can solve. The skill you currently have, what are the problem it can solve? List it down. Ask ChatGPT that, okay, I'm a graphic design. What can this skill solve? A fashion designing. What can it solve? What problem can it solve? Ask ChatGPT. That's why ChatGPT is our best friend now. It can help us to answer every questions. So have it as your friend. It is much easier now than before. So ask ChatGPT every question. Ask him. He will list you. He can even give you 101 reason. Number three is to practice the skill, because practice make perfect. Practice it, become so good at it, become so valuable, become so irresistible at that skill. Number four, start sharing your knowledge online. Do not say, hey, I'm good at it, I'll be marketing it offline. You won't monetize it that way. The best way to start monetizing it to attract global opportunity, global buyers, is to start sharing content around that skill you are learning, around that skills you are improving, around that skills you are building. That is what brings global opportunities to you. That is what make you attract more opportunity, attract international clients, and many other good things you want for yourself. And don't just post and disappear. Ensure you are engaging. Engage with your audience. When anyone comments, engage with them. If anyone like, go and find them and also like their posts, especially this season where content creators is dominating. Like their posts. If possible, you can engage on it. Engage on it. Before you know, you are building community that are engaging on your content, and you also engaging on theirs. And before you know it, your page begin to grow gradually. This is also something I do regularly. In fact, this is what I do regularly on LinkedIn, on Facebook. I post consistently. I engage with people. I search for people that need my services, my audiences. I work directly with SaaS founders for the now. I search for SaaS founders that need my services, and I begin to send DMs to them. This is what I do. That gives me opportunity to work with clients globally. You can also do that, and before you know it, you are seeing your clients want to work with you, clients want to do business with you, clients need your services. Okay, if this video help you, ensure you follow this channel, Face Miracle Irabor, like this video and become part of the Rise and Brand family. Here we talk about businesses, online businesses, personal branding, monetization, and how well you can increase your income and get qualified opportunities for yourself. Bye bye, subscribe, and see you in my next lesson.